Now that we have some items on our timeline, one of the things that we need to look at is really how to use this timeline as well, which is really one of the most important things for us to work with. I think it's really important to learn how to use this timeline effectively and quickly. So I'm going to go ahead and just expand that just a little bit just by taking this window and dragging it up. Now the timeline has video tracks on it and audio tracks. You'll notice that we have one track here below, which is audio 4. Usually starts off with just the 3 audio tracks. But it made audio 4 because I have a mono audio here, and these other ones are really for stereo. So that's why it made that audio track for me. Anyway, dealing with the timeline is really important. You can always scrub. It's important as you're scrubbing, if you want things to snap, hold down the Shift key and it'll snap to the ends or the beginnings of items that you already have on the timeline. Now, being able to view where you want to go quickly, I think, is important, and there are lots of tools to do that. You can zoom in and out quickly right here, and you'll see it zooms, keeping context of where your current item is. You can zoom in and out a little bit as well by dragging this timeline indicator around as well, and that will actually even allow you to move around the entire timeline quickly as well. So a lot of different things there. I'm going to expand that a little bit more. You'll see it shows me more of my interface quickly. Now you can also hold down the Alt key and the middle mouse wheel to zoom in and out a little bit. You can see it may seem a little glitchy, but it's just one of those things that you get used to. You can even use the Shift key and it will kind of pan across your timeline together. It's kind of fun. And I think that's really it. You also want to be aware of how the timelines are, of course, organized with each other. Did want to point out that you have, of course, you can click and drag on the numbers. You can also click on them and go to a specific number if you want. So if I go to 0, 5, that'll go to 5 frames in of this particular movie. If I want to go to 10 seconds, 10, 0, 0, 0. So now I've jumped to 10 seconds. So getting used to those controls, of course, are really important, and you'll be spending a lot of time just moving around the timeline and your program window, so that's why I wanted to pay special attention to those. Let's go on to the next tutorial.